Welcome to my channel. Learn how to make this stunning pearl crochet scrunchie with me. First, let's gather the materials you'll need. 8mm pearl beads, white yarns, round elastic, large eye needle, measuring scale, 2.5mm crochet hook. Now, for starting, first take 15 inches of the round elastic. Next, carefully burn the ends to prevent fraying. Then stitch the ends together securely to form a strong circular base for your scrunchie. Next, take your yarn, and to make it easier to thread, carefully burn the very tip of the yarn slightly before threading it through your large eye needle. Now, pick up your 8mm pearls and slide them all the way down to the needle. Now, once you've added all the pearls you need, make sure not to cut the other side of the yarn. It needs to stay connected to the roll of yarn for the next steps. Now, leave 6 inches of yarn at the starting point. First, I make 2 rounds on my index finger to hold the yarn. Then, I create a loop, and using the crochet hook, I make another loop and pass it through the first loop. This technique is called a chain stitch. Now, slide one of the pearls from the yarn up to the hook. Wrap the yarn around your index finger once more. Then pass the crochet hook through UK yarn on your index finger and pull that new loop through the loop on your hook to secure the pearl. I'm showing this process, the chain stitch, very slowly for you to understand and get the technique of how to move your hand and the crochet needle. It may look difficult at first, but once you try and get the practice, it becomes very easy. If you have any questions about this technique or would like more detailed videos on it, feel free to comment, and I'll be happy to make more videos or answer your questions. Now, when you add the pearls to the yarn, it will look like a spiral. I'll show you this much for now, because the video would otherwise be very long. Now, I'll show you one more last time how to do this chain technique. Now, you'll want to leave quite a bit of yarn at the end part, as you'll be working with it later. And don't forget to keep that loop at the end too. I'm showing you that this 30-centimeter chain I've made for the pearls is now complete. Now, take the starting part of the chain and tie a knot on the 5-centimeter yarn we left at the beginning onto the rubber band, then wrap the chain around the rubber band. Now, take the loop we left at the other end, pass the starting yarn through that loop, and tie a knot. That's how you join both sides onto the rubber band. Adjust the pearl chain on the rubber band, and then take the yarn and thread it through the needle to add more pearls. Fill the gaps on the rubber band wherever you see the rubber band. You can add pearls to fill the gaps. Even adding these extra pearls to the band will make the chain and the rubber band more secure together. tie a knot on the rubber band and cut the excess yarn. Thank you for watching my video. I find this rubber band to be really appealing. Go make yourselves a scrunchie like this with pearls. If you make it, show me in the YouTube comments. I would love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.